Ugh, so frustrated. Why am I getting wavy cuts with my awesome new Wood-Mizer LT15? Well, I've got 3 ideas coming up. Can you see it? Can you see those waves? Look at them. Oh, so frustrating. Hey, don't be stupid. Before I get started, take a look. This is part 1. If you haven't seen that, you might want to watch it. You see what I'm talking about, right? Zoomed in, yeah, there it is. Look at that. I'm a perfectionist, so most people would probably say there's nothing wrong with these boards. So what could be causing this problem? Number 1, dull blades. In the comment section and on my Facebook page, a lot of people have said it could be a dull blade. Even Wood-Mizer in the book said that it could be a dull blade. I think that's possible, but let me tell you why I don't think it's the reason. I don't think it's the reason because think about in the case of like a chainsaw or any other kind of saw. When you have a dull blade, it doesn't really cause the cut to be wavy or misaligned. It just cuts slower. So I'm not really getting it to cut slower, I'm getting it to not cut a line. So that's why I don't think it's a dull blade. With a chainsaw, if you have it sharpened unevenly or one side gets dull, then yeah, that can happen. So maybe that's the case. Maybe one side is, maybe it's not evenly sharp. Something happened and one side of the blade is sharper than the other. That could be a reason, and that would cause deflection or for it to move around. So that's very possible. All right, number 2, wrong set. So the blade isn't set correctly. I don't sharpen my own blades, so I don't totally understand this, but I think it means the angle of the saw tooth. And just like on a chainsaw, you know, there's different angles of the saw tooth. So yeah, that could be the case too, but again, I'm not sure. Maybe like uneven set or something along those lines could cause it to deflect. I would think the wrong set would, again, maybe cause it to go too fast or too slow for the cut, not cut efficiently. Having more or less aggressive set depending on hardwood or softwood. I don't understand that totally because I'm new to this. Let me know in the comments if what I'm saying makes any sense. Okay, now. Oh, and number 3, and then there's gonna be a bonus, but it's the next video. We ran out of time, but there will be a bonus. I'm gonna give you an extra. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video and other videos on the channel, there are 3 things that you can do to really help me out. Number 1 is to hit the thumbs up, the like button below. Number 2 is to comment, and number 3 is to subscribe. Thank you.